Hi, Cindy here. Occasionally, a business transformation is necessary to stay competitive. So, we're going to talk about a list to help you choose the right AI tools based on your current stage in your business and your budget. Ah, you may think AI tools have a high price tag, and some do. Today, we're going to highlight budget friendly AI automation tools for founders that are just started and they're just getting customers, and those that are established and ready to grow. So, let's start with founders just getting started or just getting customers. So, ManyChat is a good app. When would I use ManyChat? I would use ManyChat if I was a creator or I was selling online or had a business and I needed to promote, launch, and sell on social media. So basically, I am marketing to engage customers through social media apps. So the transformation, we would engage customers and drive more sales on autopilot using ManyChat. And there is a free version. The benefit? Well, ManyChat would let you automate customer support and capture leads on social media. When to use? Let's move on to Intercom. Intercom is another tool, an AI tool for founders. When would you use Intercom? Okay, so say you're starting to get customers and you need assistance onboarding your new customers or new businesses, depending on what your business provides. The AI manages the content and data and then hands it off to your employees. The transformation? Well, this is an example of where AI and the human would work together and learn from each other. So this would improve customer service as a benefit, because if the new customers or new businesses coming on to your service or to your business, if they would feel taken care of. Because with AI and the human working together, there would be no drop balls and no gaps. Have you ever bought something from a business only to them to drop the ball and not contact you how to use it or welcome you and walk you through some of the basic features you would probably use? This tool, Intercom, would help with that. And it only starts, I think it's around $29 a month. So it's less than $30 a month. And a good benefit is it would help you to streamline support and onboarding. So let's move on. Another tool is Lumen 5. So when would you use Lumen 5? So, say you want to grow your brand, and who doesn't need to do that, right? So you're using a video, and you want to use Lumen 5 when you need to convert any text to video. So if you're like me, I do a lot of training, and you can do the training and use Lumen 5 and convert that text to video, because typically I'm pulling the training from a combination of my experience working with different Fortune 500 companies and startups. So I'm actually creating it in text. So that would be very helpful. And the transformation? Well, it saves time and energy that would be spent creating videos, manually. And there is a free version, so that's always great. A benefit? Well, the platform, it automates the video creation process and it uses AI, so it would increase your productivity. Let's move on to the next one. Tome. Tome. When would I use Tome? Okay. I'm a founder. So I'm kicking off my first product. And I need ideas on how to pitch my product to investors or customers or partners, or when you just need to create a presentation. And maybe you only have the outline ready, or you're just not sure where to start. This is where Tome would come in. And the transformation, well, you'd waste less time, you'd produce visuals, and they're visually elegant. And the prices started around $20 a month. A benefit is this would automate creating your presentations, or if you want to experiment with visuals, that would leave you more time to think about how your product helps an investor or helps the customer, how it adds value. So hey, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any content from me. So let's move on to founders that are ready to grow. Now, these are typically larger companies that have more complex processes, but it doesn't necessarily have to be. So one of the first ones is Zapier. And you would use Zapier to automate workflows between software as a service or your customer relationship management platform or an email platform. And you would use this once your business their business processes are more established. So that Zapier is good. The transformation, the AI, it works in the background and it triggers actions between different platforms. So your employees would not have to switch between different platforms to get their work done. Everything would be in one place, and then the AI would trigger the back end applications, and that would make it easier on the employee and especially the customer, because I've been on many calls where it's not been an efficient process, where you have to wait and give them the information again so they can re-enter it in another screen. So this would kind of avoid that. So the benefit, it will reduce manual tasks across multiple applications. And it does use cloud-based integration. So that would make it easier for the business to onboard. Another one is HubSpot. And I know some people have heard of HubSpot. So when would you use HubSpot? You would use HubSpot when you're looking to scale your marketing, or you're looking to score more leads, or nurture your customer relationships. And the way this would transform your business is to reduce overhead. And you could use their cloud platform. Benefit, it's cost efficient, and it automates email marketing. Another tool, Salesforce Einstein. When would you use that? Well, once your customer base and sales processes become more complex, Salesforce Einstein would be an option for you. The transformation, it would reduce the cost to operate your business. A benefit, you'd be able to leverage AI to predict sales, trends, and automate routine tasks. Another tool is Drift. And when would you use that? Say you're ready to provide conversational engagement with visitors and capture leads. The transformation for this is you wouldn't have to hire additional staff. You could just use the tool. Now, benefit is it automates customer interactions, and you can even schedule demos using the tool. So none of us wants to waste time or money, and all of us wish we had more of it especially when it comes to our lives and our work. So implementing AI comes with its fair share of challenges, as with any technology, but it also brings opportunities for innovation and growth. So this list should help you to choose the right AI automation tools based on your current stage in your business and your budget and long-term growth strategies. And if you've received value today, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm here for you. And yes, technology does come with its challenges, but that's what I'm here for. Reach out to me. You can even book a call. We can discuss. Keep your feet moving.